To turn on or off Do Not Disturb mode on iPhone 16e, start by opening Settings, and then you will have to navigate into Focus mode. And in this place, select Do Not Disturb, and here you can actually set it up. So you can allow some notifications from people or apps. If you want to change it, just click here and add some people or some phone calls. So there's the everything that you can actually customize up to your preferences. And when you go back, you can also go for some options. So we can show on the lock screen the silence notifications. You can also dim a lock screen for the dark mode. And right now, you can simply set a schedule. So you can turn it on every time from the specific time to specific time. And also you can pick up the days where you want to get it. And you can just turn it on. And you can create that scheduled multiple times. Depend of the time, location, or after opening some specific apps. So as you can see, there's actually a lot of things that you can customize. And here you can add some filters, focus filters that will help you to remove distractions from apps. Yeah, that's how it actually looks. If you want to turn off this Do Not Disturb mode, then you can simply also go right here at the top, and here you can find some things like the Do Not Disturb mode. So you can just click on it and turn it on and off.